NUI Galway, we're on the edge geographically of this country, we're on the edge of Europe, and I feel like we can be a critical edge in debates that are happening right now.
We need people always to be challenging the conventional wisdom, and it's only by doing that do we make progress and do we advance and we get new breakthroughs and new thinking.
We're in the cutting edge when it comes to historiography today. Many topical issues, historians can answer a lot of the questions that are being posed.
When you read the news, you lose faith sometimes in humanity and where we're going. But when I go back to the classroom and I talk to young people that have such enthusiasm, suddenly you begin to realise the students that we interact with can actually improve the world.
I came here as an asylum seeker. The only way you can survive this system is by pursuing education. When I came here, it was a chance for me to catch up with everything that I've missed in life.
I'm very proud of being an Irish traveller, and I'm very fortunate that when I came here on campus that my cultural identity was supported and celebrated.
Universities are about helping society to be better. A university that is value-led, has ethics, and it has a kind of a moral compass in which it knows the direction it wants to go.
What excites me most about the strategy is how it creates an opportunity for everybody to work together, for everybody to contribute, give their ideas, their creativity.
In this university, creativity goes across every subject, every area. This is a university that is all about creativity.
NUI Galway has the right combination of people with diverse skills to solve the world's problems.
We're working on projects at the moment whereby my collaborators are in anatomy and natural sciences and engineering and also in medicine. So if you have an interesting question, NUI Galway has the right professionals here to answer it.
Interdisciplinary research is important because it brings you into relationship with other areas of study and you start to understand things in a more comprehensive way.
I think one of the greatest things about Galway is that it's a community. There's an ecosystem that's greater than the university, so we really are part of Team Galway.
We have a huge responsibility to our region to ensure that our population get better outcomes from healthcare. It's really novel for Ireland to have a translational research facility in the grounds of the hospital. If I'm in theatre, I can take some tissue and send it here directly to the lab, and within a couple of hours seeing what those cells respond to and how we can cure cancer.
We're bringing patients into discussion about the technologies we're developing. It changes the way we design devices, but also it really invigorates our researchers because they're passionate to help these people.
We have great labs to do our research, but not only that, we have a great training program where we produce amazing graduates who then I can encourage to come and do research with me after they've done their studies with us here.
I have to say the research we do here really is world class. We're part of a Precision Oncology Ireland consortium at the moment, and this allows us to collaborate with the best people in the field and bring new findings to patients in a shorter time frame.
We have data that suggests that physicians in leadership can drive better outcomes in health systems. We know that diverse teams drive better outcomes. So the combination of physician leadership and especially diverse physician leadership, including more women, the hope is that we really will impact healthcare outcomes here in Ireland and beyond.
In the entrepreneurship hub, the Launchpad, I got to develop my enterprise, my own business skills, and was very fortunate to be named in the Forbes 30 Under 30 list for Europe this year.
In the next 175 years in NUI Galway, I want the planet to be our focus. We have to take better care of it. We have to do the research that's required to understand what we have to do to take care of it.
We must provide sustainable campuses for our students going forward through regeneration, capital projects to allow our students and our staff achieve their ambitions on a sustainable campus.
Before coming here, I've had a professional career in surfing. My research in a nutshell is evidencing the benefit of being in, on or near water. There's something about the sea, I think, that's innate in all humans that we're drawn to.
Ó tharlacúil an iritin béime chuirsaí an bhuainaíochta is strátais na hallscoile. Is tólam gur chuirduing bheith an ardil faoin éagsúlacht teanga camáid, agus an táhacht agus an severas a bhainens le héagsúlacht teanga. An dóigh go dtugann sé bailach eile doing leis an síle tá hartaring a hiiscint.
Tá sús le míle amach léinn ag tuairt faoin Gaeilge ar chomharsaí éagsúla san hallscoil, agus dá bhrí sin tá ró lárnach ag an Gaeilge is in na hallscoile.
My passion is theater and performance and thinking about the arts as a means towards social change. It's a really important space and tool with which to start the communication and through which to help people find meaning in their lives and in the work that they do.
We're very passionate about getting students involved with local community groups so that they can learn how to be active in democracy, to be change makers, realise the civic skills that are in them.
I'm a graduate of the university. All the friends that I still have, I made here. It does provide a kind of safe place to come to conclusions about life and hopefully drive passions.
Historically, people have come to Galway and the west of Ireland to rethink themselves. Just out the road, we have all the source material for John Millington Synge's epoch-making plays. Wittgenstein came to rethink 20th century philosophy. There's a hospitality towards people willing to take a chance.
Staff, students, admin, everyone should come together to play that part that they can in making society just that little bit better in terms of the climate emergency, sustainability, equality issues. Everyone has a part to play, and I think NUI Galway really has a role in that.